Hello and welcome to SDU Summer Walk. I'm Mitch and so cool that you signed up for being a student for a day here. Should we start with some lectures? It's right around the corner, let's follow me. Come on in. That was a great lecture. Let's go have some lunch. This is our student workshop where you can bring your projects to life as soon as you start here. We have 3D printing, metal bending, woodwork. The only limitation is your imagination. So this is the Innovation Lab, which is mostly used for simulations. This is the Mechatronics Lab, where you work with electronics and you learn to apply them in your project. So if you become a student for a day here, you can see the university, you can feel the vibe around here, see the lectures, see how the student life is around campus. So we cannot wait to see you here at SDU, so sign up now.